When we work on creating a healthy home, we need to take a close look at the products we use to clean and also for personal care. Most people are unaware that personal care products for the skin, for the hair, and even those used for oral care can actually contain potentially harmful chemicals. In recent years, various studies pointed out that chemicals like phthalates, methanol, hydroquinone, and 1,4-dioxane, as well as heavy metals including zinc, lead, and arsenic, may be associated with a risk of allergies, endocrine disruption, neurotoxicity, birth defects, or even cancer. There's little regulation and even poor enforcement, and with constant introductions of new ingredients and new claims, it can be really difficult to know when your personal care products are truly clean. Not with Norwex. We have a specific no-no list of ingredients that will never be used in Norwex products. This list includes many common impurities and ingredients, and it's a handy reference to help you look at the product labels in your home right now. This is important because we absorb chemicals and really all kinds of substances through breathing, through our skin, and also through our mouths. One line of defense is a community of microbes inside the mouth called your oral microbiome. You may be familiar with the digestive or gut microbiome, but the one in your mouth is also important to promoting overall health. That's because the surfaces within your mouth, teeth, gums, tongue, tonsils, all provide a rich environment for microbes to flourish, both the good and the bad. You can think of the microbiome as an ecosystem that maintains a state of equilibrium. Imagine a rainforest that has only one species of fern. It may be beautiful, but it may not be healthy. It's actually the variety of plants that brings health to the soil and makes a good habitat for everything that lives there. When it comes to the microbiome, having the right community of bacteria working together is ideal. Because when the microbiome inside your mouth is balanced and healthy, the good bacteria fight off the bad. When too many bad bacteria prevail, common issues like cavities, gingivitis, bad breath can all be the result. And your mouth is the entry point to your digestive microbiome, where more systemic impact can actually begin. So focusing on oral health is an effective and actually very easy way to enhance our overall health and well-being. Norwex has recently premiered oral care products with revolutionary formulas that will promote a healthy balance in the oral microbiome. Lysair Probiotic Whitening Toothpaste with white benchotan charcoal carries its primary benefits right in the name. The word Lysair is Norwegian for light, and with this Lysair product, we brighten smiles and highlight beneficial ingredients. Ingredients like probiotics that support the growth of beneficial bacteria. Activated white benchotan charcoal removes unhealthy buildup and stains and gently brightens teeth without peroxide. And compared to black activated charcoal to whiten your teeth, without the mess. In addition to the benefits right in the name, Lysair toothpaste contains essential oils to help freshen breath. No artificial flavors, sweeteners, or dyes. No fluoride or triclosan. No SLS or SLES. No parabens, phthalates, or peroxide. Instead, clean ingredients that do no harm and promote a healthy oral microbiome, all while providing maximum cleaning power and whitening. It's safe for children over the age of 2 with some gentle guidance. And I love that the packaging is 100% recyclable material made from sugarcane. There's another step on your journey to oral health as well. Lysair Advanced Antioxidant Mouthwash with Nordic lingonberry promotes healthy gums and teeth and helps guard against dry mouth. There's no alcohol in the formula. Mouthwash that destroys all bacteria indiscriminately with alcohol also disrupts the health of your oral microbiome. Instead, this revolutionary formula adds super antioxidants Nordic lingonberry and vitamin C. Ultra-concentrated aloe and essential oils guard against dry mouth and keep your breath fresh. The combination of Lysair toothpaste, mouthwash, and our adult Silvercare toothbrush provides a 3-pronged approach to remove harmful chemicals from your daily routine and promote oral health. Remember, a healthy oral microbiome is your first line of defense and an important step in the journey to healthy living. Let Norwex be your trusted partner to make good choices for your family's health. And most of all, believe that you can make a difference.